Get in the video with us. We eating cereal. Oh shit! I just revealed what we. All right, y'all. It's your boy Mar the Great, back with another video. Wait, the greatest of all time, the greatest of what I do. Back with another video.
It's your girl Ari. It's your girl Ari.
The Dawn.
It's your boy Poppy.
We have Nutty, but I'm sorry for covering you up, sweetheart.
No,
we have Nutty Buddy, cereal. The Nutty Bar cereal. It's new. This ain't limited edition. Like the last shit. You want to taste this shit, bro? You don't gotta be in camera. You want to taste it though? Oh, come on. We got another present with us. What's your name?
Valeria.
All right, y'all. So we finna just go ahead and get into this shit because I'm tired of waiting.
Yeah. Bowl.
Bowls. We got the. Yeah. I like the excitement.
She copied me.
Oh, you want to smell it? That shit smell like a Nutty Bar. You want to smell it? Smell it.
That smells good.
It actually smells good. You want to smell it? It smells good, don't it?
Guys, it smells like coffee.
It smells like a Nutty Bar. They don't really know what a Nutty Bar smells like.
I haven't been eating those from my childhood. You don't know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I was gonna do the same thing. Look.
Can't be mine.
Tell me when to stop it, Gil.
Over there?
Okay, you know what?
I didn't get too much in here, so
You
I
see
can't
it?
really see your hand is doing wet.
Okay.
Hey, y'all.
Huh?
Who say you want some?
He wants some?
Yeah.
Go get himself a bowl and sort himself.
Somebody go get a bowl.
All right, so we're gonna pour the milk now. I don't know if y'all want silk almond milk or regular milk.
No, we have to work on that.
See, me, obviously, I gotta drink.
I'm the YouTube star. I'm pouring my milk first. Tell me when to stop. All right, y'all. Valley, come on. We're finna taste it. We're gonna taste it, Valley. Come on. We're gonna take that cup. I want to switch bowls. You got an ice cream bowl. I want to switch.
I have another one.
Okay, ready?
Can y'all put some milk in this?
Ready?
Oh, he gonna have to pour his own milk. Well, damn.
Ready?
Damn, I gotta pour his milk and everything.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it, y'all. Did you taste it, Valley?
Okay, ready?
Oh, you trying to get caught in the?
Well, yeah, because I don't want to stand up anymore. It's fine if it doesn't.
Oh, we're eating.
You just seen everything on my
Nigga, bro, hold on, move. I got it in front and center. Nigga.
I don't know how to feel.
10 out of 10. I ain't even got.
I'll give it 8 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
I'll give it an 8.5.
Bro.
Yeah, I'll go with Miguel. 8.5.
It's good. It's just
good.
the aftertaste.
Yeah.
That shit busting, bro. Yo, it's busting, bro.
What you rate that at? 1 out of 10.
10.
Julio?
Ain't no motherfucking way. There is no way. They're Mexican. I'm just kidding.
What it needs is some hot sauce.
By the powers of naughtiness, I command this particular drop of hot sauce to be really, really hot.
I like the texture. That's what makes it.
Mm-hmm.
Now you gotta taste this. You
It
have to
gets
taste
soggy
it.
too fast. That's the thing too.
Yeah.
I don't like soggy cereal.
I don't like
God.
I don't like the aftertaste.
Oh my god.
You don't like it.
Oh my god.
I don't like the
You are
aftertaste.
tripping.
Miguel, do you like the aftertaste?
Whoever don't like this cereal gonna have to fight me.
I like it,
It's
but like I
good.
don't like the aftertaste.
I don't like
it's
the
just
aftertaste.
yeah.
Damn.
It just gives me.
And I don't like it because it gets soggy too fast. If you don't get it fast enough, it'll get soggy fast.
Y'all ignoring the fact she over here with my ass. God damn. the cereal was delicious. Like, that's the moral of the story right there.
You know what the shit cereals look like?
What?
They look like those blocks
Look like
or houses.
Oh
The
my
red blocks.
God, yes.
They
Yes,
got
they
how
do.
in the like holes in the middle
Y'all
and
know-
shit.
To me,
Look
it
like bricks.
Y'all know what they look. Yeah.
look like dog. Oh shit! I'm always,
Mario.
I'm always spilling some shit.
Not
whenever I
even.
do
They
this.
look like little dog business. Like
It look like dog treats.
dog
They
treats.
do.
Better.
Y'all know them Scooby treats? The cookies?
That's what it look
Yeah.
like.
Yeah.
I'm full. I can't.
Yeah. It's pretty much clean now.
Ain't too much chocolate for me.
That's what they should make some Scooby on cereal.
Scooby cereal, yes. I will bang that shit now.
This is the icing on the cake right here. We gotta see how the milk tastes.
Damn, you already done with your shit.
It always tastes like chocolate.
Hell yeah, I'm done with it.
I'm gonna taste it. Okay.
Yeah.
Bro, it tastes like regular
While we were
milk.
talking, this shit got soggy.
I'm disappointed.
Quick as fuck.
Yeah.
I'm disappointed.
My shit was better.
What was?
The milk.
The milk? It's
Oh,
probably,
with the
probably
'cause
been,
he got almond milk.
I got almond milk, vanilla almond milk, and with the thing, it gave it flavor. Now that
I don't want it.
milk was good as hell.
mine has flavor.
I ain't gonna lie to you. I got shit.
No. I don't think so.
Y'all laughing when I'm dead serious.
They go took his.
No, I am. So we finna do the little spinny thing with the outro, and y'all finna listen to my music because we out. Cause
Yeah, I'm new to music, but I feel it, I be killing it. I'm in love with pain, so you know that I be feeling it. I got all these scars, ain't no time for all that healing shit. I'ma never stop until I'm up, until I'm filthy rich. Mama had died when I was just a baby. That led me to believe that everybody hate me. Trapped up in my feelings, I just hope that they escape me. I'ma thug it out, I just gotta let fate be. You was my dog, I had a problem, then I called you. You switching, then you dip, you started acting.